Hello everyone, welcome to new video of SR Academy Pune, and in this video, as you can see on screen, we are going to discuss about interview experience for the opening of Angular developer at TCS. Okay, so I myself am not a front-end developer, but I brought this video especially for those who are looking for a switch in the front-end field. Okay, especially in the field of Angular developer. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss about the tech stack which you can see here that was required for this opening, what was the year of experience required, the number of rounds that happened, what were the questions asked, and we'll also talk about the detailed job description. Okay, and if you need any more help regarding this interview or any other tech interview in general, you can reach out to me and my team on Telegram on SR Academy Pune. Okay, just subscribe to the channel and use the option of direct message to admin, and that way you can reach to me and my team. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, if you are a first time viewer and you think that this video is gonna help you or has helped you, or any of my previous videos has helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's get started. So as I've said, I'm not a front-end developer. So this interview experience is shared to us by my friend who has given the interview herself. Okay, the number of rounds that happened were two. There were no coding round, so no coding questions were asked directly. The interview was only theoretical in nature. The opening was posted on naukri.com and the application was done via referral. Okay, so I had one of my friends in TCS, and through that friend we did the referral. Okay, and after that the HR got in touch with my friend and the next rounds were scheduled. Okay, so now let's go through the job description that was for this opening. Okay, so Angular developer at TCS, experience was 6 to 10 years. So we can say that this was an opening for almost a senior level Angular developer. Okay, and locations were Pune and Chennai. And now let's see what was the technical requirements for this job. So first, deep understanding of web component, create high performing responsive and interactive web applications. Okay, so I guess this would be a basic requirement for a front-end developer. Strong hands-on knowledge of HTML5, CSS, SAS, Bootstrap, and JavaScript. Okay, including familiarity with data structure, data typing, and prototype inheritance. Okay, then deep understanding of Angular 14 plus version and building self-contained, reusable, and testable modules and components. Should have experience on writing Jasmine unit test case. Okay, so I will try to correlate whatever points I know with my backend developer experience. Okay, rest I won't go into much detail. So Jasmine unit test case might be related to testing whatever front end code you write. Okay, so this must be related with automation testing. Then code git versioning tool, so this should be a common point for all the openings. Okay, so nothing special here. Hands-on experience with debugging, network diagnostic, network analytics tools such as Postman, debugging through Chrome, Lighthouse, etc. Okay, so in this I've used Postman. I know like if you press F11 on Chrome, you can see certain details related to the front-end code. Okay, so this also is a good requirement. Familiarity with common programming best practices, data patterns, and software design structures for TypeScript. This also is a kind of a common requirement, nothing specific to this opening. Hands-on experience in addressing code vulnerabilities, again general. Hands-on experience in performance optimization, again a generalized requirement. Experience on Angular upgrade is good to have. Okay, this is not a must, but this was a good to have. Okay, so this was in detail the required uh, job description. What I can say that being a front-end opening, the main part lies here. Okay, and rest all we can consider as a supporting requirement. Okay, so this was the detailed job description. Openings were for Pune and Chennai, 6 to 10 years, so almost senior Angular developer. Now let's go to the actual questions asked for round 1. So this is the list of technical inter sorry. So this is the list of technical interview questions asked for round 1 of this interview. So let's go through the questions one by one. First question, what is view encapsulation in Angular? The next question asked was, what is SSR in Angular and why is it helpful? So as I don't know much about it, I won't deep dive into the questions. I will just go through the questions one by one, and I hope these questions like help you in your preparation, or at least give you some idea around what kind of questions are being asked in the market right now. Not only for TCS, but for any other front-end opening in general. What is a resolver in Angular and when would you use it? What is ng-deep? What does it do and what alternatives can be used instead? What are auth guards in Angular and what are their use cases? Pure and impure pipe, signal versus subject, how to create observables, different ways to create it, and problem faced during Angular migration. So the only thing that I can make sense is this must be some Angular migration from version V1 to V2 kind of thing, and what were the problems you faced during this. Okay, so this is the list of the questions, and if you want this PDF, this PDF of list of questions, you can subscribe to SR Academy, and I'm gonna post this PDF there. Okay, join this channel and you will get this PDF there. Okay, so I hope the questions for round 1 are clear. Now let's move on to round 2 questions. So yeah, this is the round 2 question for the same interview. Okay, round 1 was cleared by my friend, and so unluckily she could not clear round 2, but she has shared the questions for anyone preparing so that it can help to him or her. First question, lazy loading implementation in Angular. What is the first file executed when an Angular application start and what does it do? So this might be related. This might be related to some Angular runtime execution, like what is executed in sequence. So this must be related to it. What are standalone components in Angular? So fourth one was a follow-up question to this. Are standalone components enabled by default in latest versions? If yes, can we still create components using standalone components? Okay, if yes, then how? How can we override Bootstrap classes in an Angular application? How can we handle errors globally in Angular? What is the syntax for an HTTP interceptor in Angular? What is throttling in JavaScript? What are the Angular lifecycle hooks? Explain their execution order. How do you pass an authentication token with API request? What happens when token expires and how do you handle it? How can you check the performance of an Angular application using the browser's network tab? Okay, so I guess this is related to the F9 or F11 tab uh, on the Chrome browser. I don't remember which one is it. And last one, default compiler and difference between AOT and JIT compilation. Okay, so these were the round 2 question, and I hope this small attempt to help the uh, candidates who are preparing for interview is fruitful from our side, and I really hope that this helps you in your preparation. And again, if you need any help regarding your CV optimization or any technical guidance for your interviews or anything in general related to your technical career, please reach out to me on my Telegram channel SR Academy Pune. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay, and I will try to help you in whatever way possible. Okay, so again, thanks to my friend for sharing this with us so that it helps our small community of YouTube subscribers. We are 56 subscribers now, and if you're watching this video, please subscribe so that this count increases and it keeps me motivated to bring such content with you all guys. Okay, so yeah, see you all in next video and all the best for your interviews. Bye.